Welcome. In front of me I have CAT S61 and I will show you how we can activate Hey Google. So you have to simply open Google app, click on More, move to the settings, find Voice and go for the voice match. Here we got this option. So to activate you have to tap on the switcher, click Next, tap right here. As you can see, in my case it's ready, but you have to go for the voice model, then click to retrain voice model, and you will get circle like that, and you have to say OK Google for the 2 times. OK Google, Hey Google, and the last one, Hey Google. Right now click finish, and right now when you say Hey Google or OK Google, your assistant will be activated. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.